Hey, it's Jessica, and we're gonna do a. I did my first pair of earrings, front and back, and now I've got the hoops. Uh, I've got the little rings. I don't know if you can see that ring, and then the hook. Okay, so and then I've got my handy dandy tweezers. So I'm going to just bend. Oh, easier with nails, but I like my nails. So uh, now I'm going to just bend it a little bit, just enough to make a way to slip on the earrings. Okay, I'm gonna take my tweezers like this, and then I'm gonna put here and then in here. Then we're just going to push them back together. Oh, my gems just came off. There we go. This is why I seal everything, because I don't want things coming off. They're pretty. Let me see, where is what I need? Right in front of me. there. And now we're going to repeat. Shoot. Second. I thought I'd be into making jewelry, but never thought I'd be into diamond painting either. Let me get some of my handy dandy rhinestone glue. And so, how are y'all doing today? I hope everybody's doing well. I had a little business meeting, talk with my husband, um, about some things that I'm going to be selling additionally in my on my website. Oh shoot, I put the wrong color in the place. Uh, This color over here. There. It's over there. Now I'll get one of these and put it over there. Okay. One of the things I want to do, I um, I want to be able to offer a full kit system with upgraded tools, storage, the canvas kits. I want to be a one-stop shop for Jessica's Jeweled Art. Actually, what I think I'm gonna do is go ahead and put this hook on. And now, actually, doing this makes it easier for me to hold it. Here we go. Now, I get to break out my little labels. I've been so uh, excited to be able to start using these. Now, in the life of a small business owner. Switch to it a little bit more umph. The hole supposed to be umping into. Oh, where is it? There it is. Then you take off this little sticky tab. Then you take off this little sticky tab. Okay, tweezers again. Here we go. There you go. There you go. Here they are. And I get to hang these up now. Let me show you. We're gonna go up here. Yay! I did it! My first pair, one down, 19 more to go. Yeah. But thank you for joining me. Uh uh-oh. I will see you next time. Now, so I did, well, let me show you. I did this one and it's match. Now I've got to do the back side. And then I did this one and its match is over there drying. Um, Meanwhile, I'm going to do the back of here. So, um, and this is in my, let's see, what did I decide to call it? Oh, these are my Black Girl Magic earring collection. So they will be available on my website and they will be available in person at any craft show or craft fair that I am a vendor at. So thank you for joining me. Hope to see you soon. And happy diamond painting. Bye bye.